Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Isha, and today I'm here with a pick a card reading on the topic what is it that you're currently stressed about? So, this is going to be a quick stress relief reading. So, let's get right into it. I have three options for you to choose from. This is going to be pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3. And if you're getting confused about how to choose the options, do not worry. You can watch like first half to 1 minute of every pile and see whichever is resonating with you. So please select your pile and fast forward your chosen option. Hi pile 1, welcome to your reading. So let's see what is your current energy first. So I do see that perhaps you have to make a choice. You're judging something perhaps because you want to see what's fair, what's not, or what's good, what's bad. So you are in the energy of judgment or justice or just choosing some option. So perhaps that is what is stressing you. Yes, because you are perhaps fearful of your power. I feel like you're given some position of authority and you're fearful of stepping into some sort of empowerment, is what I'm feeling like, because this decision is something that you have to make from a powerful position. Yes, literally. This is a path which will bring you a lot of honor and respect, and you are taking it very seriously, which is why it is stressing you. Maybe you've stepped into some sort of a higher position, higher level in any area of your life, and now you have to, work in that area and take decisions, and you want to do justice for it because this is something, whatever you decide, is going to prove people what you are capable of or you are a good or right fit for it, which is why you are stressed about it. And with regards to this decision, I feel like there is something that is being hidden because perhaps you feel like something is not quite right, something is hidden, and that is why you're not able to make the decisions. You might be questioning someone's motives or something like that, is what I'm feeling like. Or you are stressing because you are scared to step into this honoring path, to this place of empowerment, is what I'm feeling like. Yes, you don't want to fight. I feel like you just want to stay back and you just want to be relaxed and enjoy the worldly material things like good food, clothes, something like that. And you just don't want to engage in some battle or drama or something like that because you have been given this higher position, and so now you don't have to take part in the small battles, is what I'm feeling like. And I also feel like this could have something to do with finances, but you have to take some sort of a decision, and that decision has to be right. Perhaps that is why you're stressing about it so much. Yes, this decision is perhaps going to affect you or many other people's future as well. So perhaps you are planning something, forecasting something about the future. I don't see you in a action oriented energy. I do see you in a laid back energy, kind of sitting and anticipating and in the energy of waiting to see what the future holds and waiting to see that what you've planted will be coming in or something like that. It could have some sort of international connect, or you could be dealing with people from worldwide, and that is why you are even more stressed, is what I'm feeling like. You have to make some sort of judgment which affects your future or many people's futures. Worried if your decision will close some sort of a cycle successfully, or if there is some sort of a parcel or package that you are waiting to receive from abroad. It is not yet come in, but it is coming in, but it is stressing you. So let's see now what further will make you stress free. Big happy changes. You're going to go through big happy changes in whatever situation this is. So don't even worry about whatever you're stressing right now. There are big happy changes on the horizon. And I do feel like there's going to be a successful completion about whatever that is that you're stressing about. And I do see that it could be about finances and you're waiting for something to come in. It is possible, but whatever it is, there are big happy changes. And don't take so much burden on yourself about this decision, is what I'm feeling like, because you're already given some sort of a position of honor, and you are in this position because you deserve it. So enjoy that. And you're a very kind person. Remember that. You being a kind person is such a gift for the world. And you know what? Literally, you just being you is such a gift to the world because you are very kind and you don't want to do anything wrong or take some sort of a wrong decision or action that will harm anyone. That is why you think about everyone or think about every side and every aspect before making any sort of a decision. And that is a huge gift to people around you. And you might be uncomfortable right now, you might be scared right now, but you will be succeeding despite of these feelings. Remember that. Whatever you choose, whatever path you go on, you are going to be succeeding. And I feel like literally you need to own your power right now because you are in that position for a reason. You are kind, you are empathetic, you've attained that sort of maturity level that you deserve it now. So don't hide behind the mask and own your power. Even though you may feel uncomfortable, but you're definitely going to succeed. So, firstly, in your blessings, I see that if you are feeling hurt with regards to some situation, universe is going to take that hurt and transmute it into a lot of abundance, is what I'm feeling like. And for some people only, this could be about health, maybe something about heart health or just pain or wound of some sorts that is going to improve, and that's a major blessing. If it is not about health, mostly I do see this about whatever is it that you are being given an elevation, that is what is stressing you. But your blessing is that whatever was hurting you, that is going to turn into abundance. and and what I see is that you are going to be in this independent energy. You logically, see through the facade if anyone else has hidden motivations, and you will cut off what's not serving you and other people. For the greater good, you're going to do something, is what I feel like, and that is your destiny. I also feel like you will make the right decision for sure because your intelligence is your blessing. You are very intelligent and logical and very fair minded person, and you also have a kind heart, and all of this is bringing in a wish fulfillment of yours. And not only a wish fulfillment, it is bringing you in some sort of spotlight, and your positivity, hope, and that feel good feeling is going to be restored again. So now that we saw what's upcoming for you, you don't have to worry at all. Now just let your stress go away and relax and be happy. Whatever you do is going to be right. So don't worry so much, okay? That's your message. Bye. Take care. Hi, Pile 2. Welcome to your reading. Let's start by checking your energy. So, firstly, what I see is that you could be in a childlike energy, like someone who's very innocent and playful. And what could be bothering you is family. Now, see, it could go both ways. If you are the child and your family is bothering you, then that is what is stressing you. If you are the parent, then it is the child that is stressing you. So let's see what else. Okay, a male figure is definitely stressing you out. And there is something about family and people that is currently stressing you. There might have been some sort of a ending in your family situation or with regards to a male figure, or doesn't have to be a male figure, but there could have been some transformation or a ending that has happened which has made you feel a lot of stress. And I do feel like now you might be not only stressed, but I do see you in this boredom energy. If there are younger people watching this, it's like something is going on in your family and you are at a corner, or maybe just feeling bored and not fully satisfied, perhaps dissatisfied with regards to something. And family is definitely relevant here, that is stressing you. So, what our angels want to say is to remain positive right now, because within the next few weeks, whatever you're wishing for, perhaps, or even if you're not wishing for anything right now, within the next few weeks, something nice is going to happen that is going to relieve all your stress. If you're worried about maybe fights happening in family or endings happening, like don't even worry, because there's a positive change coming and it is coming within the next few weeks. You have every cell in my body is conscious and communicates with each positive thought I have. Literally, you have like two positivity cards. So, literally, right now, I feel like you're literally bored and tired of some situation, and your advice is, emphasizing on staying positive. I know it can be difficult. I don't promote any sort of toxic positivity. I don't want to force, like, be positive on you, but that is clearly coming out, and guidance is going to come in. There is going to be some guidance that is going to come in through your spiritual team, or literally through a person. And remember that you are not alone. I do see that maybe if something is ending in the family or transformation is happening around family, you don't have to be alone. You don't have to feel alone, because spiritual team is always there with you. Just keep your thoughts positive for now. Maybe there is something that did not succeed in the first place, and that is okay. You might be stressing because something did not succeed. Okay, now I literally feel like this is very specific for some people. If a couple or someone are trying to build a family and you all try to have a baby and that did not happen, remain positive, because in next few weeks you're going to get a good news, is what I'm feeling like. And for the others, what I feel is like if there's something related to child or family or a person that didn't go well, that didn't succeed, it is okay. It's okay. Remember, it is okay. There is definitely a positive shift coming in that area, in whatever you're stressed about right now. Let's see your blessings. Wow. Wow, you have a fresh new beginning and your destiny is changing and it is favoring you. So, I do feel like there is going to be some sort of a celebration coming up. You're going to feel free. You're going to have the drive to like take a risk, go on an adventure. But there's some energy of feeling free and leaping into something. And again, the number three, I do feel like there's something about 3 weeks. I did say next few weeks. It could be 3 weeks. I'm getting it intuitively that something is happening nicely and you're going to be celebrating it. And whatever was stuck or whatever failed in the past, that is going to now turn into your favor. And in that process, there is something that you're going to be saving. So you're going to get some sort of savings because of whatever is happening. I don't know how that is relevant to you. Either you're saving something or you're conserving something, is what I'm feeling like. Maybe not sharing so much with people the good news that you're getting. For some people, it could be something spiritual. There is a psychic lady or some reading you could be getting done, or there's something spiritual about your deep emotions and your subconscious that is going to be your blessing. Remember, this is your blessing. So, whatever you're saving, whatever you're conserving is your blessing. There could be only one person you could be opening up to. You could be having a heart to heart conversation with that person, or if it's not like in a relationship kind of sense, it could be career kind of a change as well. It doesn't have to be relationships and love, but it could be. So there is someone you're going to be connecting with, and you are perhaps going to share about your fears, deep emotional talks you're going to have. And I feel like doing that is going to liberate you in some ways. There's going to be deep emotional healing of fears, of whatever is unclear to you. I think all of this is going to get clarified. So, what I feel is like something is going to be very stable in your life, even if it moves slowly. You are going to succeed at something that you failed in the past, and that is stressing you right now. So, just remain positive. I do see fears creeping in, but whatever fears are there, that emotional healing is happening in some way or the other. I do see you working in secret and working hard on something. So there is something about nighttime being relevant or things being hidden, sleep, insomnia. But whatever situation is moving slowly and you're putting your efforts in and sort of facing your fears, you are going to be rewarded for this. This is your major blessing. And whatever you're learning from this situation, you're going to maybe teach people in the future, not necessarily though, but I do see that you are learning about the subconscious, about spirituality, or something spiritual you might be doing behind the scenes. Maybe you did fail in the past, but this time you will succeed, is what I'm feeling like, because that is coming out in your blessings. So, yes, now that you know all of this, you can stop worrying. Stop worrying right now. I hope this stress relief reading helped you a bit at least. Yes, that's about it. Bye. Take care. Hi, Pile 3. Welcome to our reading. Let's start. So, currently, your energy that I see is that it is of someone who relies on themselves. So, you might be relying on yourself right now rather than the people around you, because you might not feel that people are trustworthy or something, or just you might feel like support is not available to you. So, you might be stressing about some situation and you have to rely on yourself. Something might be unclear right now that is stressing you. On the other hand, you might have received some sort of clarity on a topic or situation in your life, and that is stressing you right now. And this clarity could be with regards to some sort of a commitment. You know what? Intuitively, I'm feeling like someone is urging you to sign a contract very fast, and you're like, chained and you don't know what to do. You might feel like a victim right now. Something about contract or some information, some legality that could be stressing you, and you want someone to sort of rescue you and help you, is what I'm feeling like. So you might be stressing because you lack clarity of some sorts with regards to this commitment, and maybe someone is pushing you to commit to something, and it is possible that you may have committed to something and now you feel trapped to it and you feel like you can't escape. That is also one possibility. I do see a male figure who's stressing you out. These are not gender based readings, but I definitely do see a male figure. So I do see that this male figure who's in authority position is perhaps trying to make you commit to something that you don't want to, and you're like chained to something because you might feel like you have to do this because of some sort of obligation. Maybe that person is connected to your family, possibly. So you feel obligated to commit to something, but you don't want to, and that is why you're stressing out. For the other half, already committed to something and now regretting it, and that is why you're stressed. I do feel like there is something about you going alone on your own, but I do also see family. So I see this contrasting energy. What I feel is like with this male figure, firstly, the ending is going to happen. Maybe there was a separation, and maybe this male figure left you out in the cold, but now I feel like you are moving towards a community of people like family, but you are feeling the stress. Now let's see what our angels have to say to you. Okay, there is something better. So, literally, if something got over and you have get more information. Because look, I'm telling you, there's someone who's urging you to sign some sort of a contract or something, and if you haven't yet, get more information, because there is something literally better for you, and don't fall into that person's trap. This message is coming, so you might have not yet signed, perhaps something, committed to something, agreed to something. You're advised to get more information, or at least just hold on, because there is something better that is coming to you. And if someone has left your life, then it's better that you go on your own path and leave it, because you're going to get something better. Yes, and you are asked in this process to not stress and take care of yourself, because that is a act of love towards yourself. That is one message. Your message is that the world may be cold, but you don't have to be. You can stay your soft self, because I do see you are in this emotional energy, very soft energy. You need to show the love to yourself first, is what I'm feeling like. And don't feel stressed at all. The world is cold, because maybe this is something literally formal or legal or something like that, so they are like putting pressure on you. Maybe this is some sort of a corporate person or entity or something like that. They might be putting some sort of pressure on you, but the world may be cold, but you stay as you are and love yourself, is your message. Now let's see your blessings. Yes, I do see that you are feeling very sad and trapped in something because of someone. Don't feel trapped. Your blessing is that whatever was making you feel sad, whatever was trapping you, whoever was trapping you in some situation, that person is either leaving or something is happening in that situation, that the situation is turning into blessings. And from feeling trapped, you're going to get good news, some sort of good news, and the movement is happening. So where you were chained, stuck, and trapped, now there is going to be movement forward, and you are going to get a good news, and there's going to be a positive movement forward, is what I'm feeling like. You know what? I got more messages for you. And what good news you're going to get is that you get to walk away from somewhere and you get to walk towards your wish fulfillment. So I do see that there will be to and fro communications of your victory, and people are going to praise you for walking away or something like that. I do see you getting recognition, appreciation. So there are people congratulating you perhaps, and you walk away from this trap, this commitment, this person was trying to trap you into something, and then you feel free, liberated, and your wish is going to get fulfilled. Maybe your wish was to get out of this, and you will get out of it. That is your message. And I do definitely see that you walking away from something is closing the cycle successfully, and that is what you've been wishing for. And this has got to do with work, perhaps. You're going to get a wish fulfillment in your work area as well, or something that you will be putting efforts in, and that is as a result of you being free from that trap of someone. And as you finish this, as you transform this cycle, as something ends, whatever loss that happened that made you feel bad or something, you will stop stressing about it, and you will have a rebirth and a successful completion. And you're also going to get appreciation and recognition from people, and praise is what I'm getting like. And also there is a wish fulfillment coming on the horizon, that is with regards to your work. Whatever you want to put your efforts in, this is your wish fulfillment. It will be as you want it, on your terms and not on anyone else's terms. So remember to show love to yourself first, and don't even be scared to demand what you deserve, because the world is cold anyways, right? So you give love to yourself and ask for what you deserve, and you will get it. You have a major wish fulfillment coming. And I want to say that I told you, right? People might be sending you congratulatory messages, appreciating you, and that is because you walked away from some sort of a commitment that was trapping you, and then your wish gets fulfilled and you get a new commitment, which is why people are appreciating you. and you will be in a position of more power over there. So remember that, and this is what you deserve. Just remember that your dream is coming true. After listening to this reading, please, please, please stop stressing now that you know what your future awaits. I hope this reading helped you at least a bit and reduced your stress. Yes, that's about it. Bye, take care.